Hi, good morning. Good morning. No, good evening in the Philippines, and here in the UK is 3:35 p.m. Okay, 3:45 p.m. So let's start from the coffee. Goes to the mail, chicken, um, lady's fingers, and pichay, cabbage. So that's my meal. A little brown rice. Kailangan balance ang diet guys, no? But then, I eat this morning when I arrive, come back from work. It's just the chicken, okra, and the cabbage. No rice. This is what. This is the meal what I'm having, guys. I think, guys, I'm not going to lose weight more than my weight now because I have to eat properly while I'm at work. I'm not eating a lot. I wish everything now at work later. And later will be okay, easy. And last night, oh wow, my God, I remember. Our machine is burning. I'm scared, but not really scared because it's not a big fire. He videoed, I think it was too much for the machine working 24 hours a day. Sorry guys. I was thinking so much about the machine. It was Mills Plastics, you know. I don't like it because I have what do you call this? Sinusitis. Asthma. I have asthma, guys, in the years gone by. I don't have this. I started to have a problem with my nose is when I was 30s, maybe 20, 30s to 40s. Something light lang, guys. Then later, I'm gonna bring plantain for my work. Mm. Thankful. Eat a little, drink a lot. That's what happened, guys. There is a um it seems like overheat only. No machine that where I were working. Yeah, but not so scary. Not so scary, but scary. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. I have to drink my coffee, guys. And then later, about 5 o'clock, I'm going to drink my vitamins. Eh. I think I put a lot of coffee. Since I don't have sugar, I don't put sugar in it. Yes, guys. And then, thank you so much, guys. For next time, for my video, please support me again. And thank you very much. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.